Can you tell me a little bit about when plans to renovate Moody first began?
So really around the season that we played Kentucky, the conversation was really starting. So we started trying to get some high-level planning just to kind of see what would it cost, what would the shape of this thing be. All those conversations were happening in 2019. In 2020, we actually decided, okay, hey, we're going to renovate Moody. Obviously, the very unique thing that happened during that time frame was COVID. And with our students not being able to access chapel the same way because of the COVID restrictions, we were then asked to speed up the timeline.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your specific role in this renovation process?
In particular, on this one, oversee major construction projects, but also trying to recognize that Moody is such a multi-purpose event center that there's not a single owner of this facility. So a substantial part of my role was trying to coordinate across all the different users of the space to make sure that we built something that was really good for all the users that would be using the space.
What were some of the biggest challenges that arose from this process?
There were so many challenges. Starting a construction project 4 months ahead of schedule, that took a substantial amount of rework to dealing with construction inflation and the supply chain difficulties. This was the first indoor arena in the world with the seating bowl that was installed here, and there's so many complexities there, but there were so many challenges with this one.
What are some of your favorite redesigns of the new Moody?
Yes, oh my goodness. This north lobby is one of my favorites. The mannequins, the display, just the feeling when you walk in, the Rulon wood ceiling, you know, the ACU, you know, letters here. This north lobby is one of my favorites. Really proud of, I think, the way that we did the locker rooms. Try to add a real Division I collegiate feel for our athletes. Try to impress, not only give them a really cool place to be, but impress recruits when they come in.
What are you looking forward to as basketball season starts to approach?
One of the things I'm really looking forward to is just the game day experience. You know, seeing the coaches and the players, see how they respond to all the fans. Really optimistic about the way that the ACU community and the city of Abilene is going to support and show up and hopefully pack out Moody, and just the energy that can be created by a full arena, and hopefully the home court advantage that provides our team.